what is the wildest cooking experience as a head chef you've ever had?
In Middle East, I used to cook camel. That it maybe for some people it's strange, but for them it's normal.
Chef Guido Ojeda is going to join us, and he is the head chef at Kimpton at Alera. The Food and Wine Festival you started a couple years ago has been a super success, and you're constantly expanding. And now you have a guest chef series, the first of which took place last month, which was fantastic. And I'm looking forward to this one because it's coming up on September 12th. And I was reading some details about it, and it's a big of a twist. It's not the same sit-down type service. You're going back and stealing some ideas from the Food and Wine Festival.
Hi, Kate. It's a pleasure to talk to you and to all your audience. And as you know, we love as a chef to challenge ourselves and offer something different every time. So the idea of this new chef guest at Alera is to offer what we call fire dining buffet. We are going to offer different kind of food, different kind of experience, and the guests can go to the station. Everything is going to be around fire. Nicolás Acosta from Bodega Garzón, he is a master on fire pit. He worked with Francis Ballman, one of the most referent chef from Argentina. So this experience is going to be incredible.
This is very interesting. So Nicolás Acosta is with Bodega Garzón in Uruguay.
In Uruguay.
And so he has worked with one of the top fire masters, as you say,
Yes.
who is from Argentina. And all the Argentines I know say they're the best at cooking with fire.
And as I say in the beginning, I think it's in our DNA. But for Argentina, it's in our heart as well. Because as a child, I remember I have memories from my childhood when I saw during the weekend my father doing barbecue for us, taking care of the fire, starting the ritual as we call, and a ritual of 4 or 5 hours when we start at 10 a.m. in the morning. I was playing maybe football with my friend, and he started doing the fire for the family and starting cooking the barbecue, cooking meat, chicken, all kind of food. And then after 3-4 hours of cooking, he will start serving to us. And one of the rituals that we have in Argentina, if you are in charge of Asado, of the barbecue, you are in charge. Nobody can or give advice or touch the food or touch the fire. It's a ritual for us. It's very sacred.
That's very interesting because I had some friends over once and they were barbecuing and I was doing the start and they're like, do you mind if we take over, the Argentines? I'm like, be my guest. So this service, unlike a sit-down table service, is going to be more of a buffet style where, as we saw with the Food and Wine Festival, people would go to different stations and take different things because I'm assuming, based on what you're saying, he's cooking different styles and different types of meat. Is that correct?
Yes, and it's not only different type of meat. There is also different type of fire that we are going to use and different type of cooking style with different fires. So we are going to have something that we call cruz, that is we are going to stack short ribs, cook it very slowly. The bone will come out from the meat. It's going to have a lot of smoky flavor. We are going to use planchas, flat top. We are going to hang meat, vegetable. We are roasting pork. We are using fish, seafood, lobster. It's going to be a big party to celebrate this special weekend that is happening every year here in Roatan during the fish tournament.
Well, I wish I was going to be here. I'm going to be in the U.S. at the time, so you have to do this again. I know. I mean, it's just like everything I'd love to eat. Let me ask you a question on a personal note. What is the wildest cooking experience as a head chef you've ever had? Have you ever had to just prepare something that was ridiculous?
I remember 10 years ago, I was invited to a hunting lodge in Argentina. It's very popular. There are some areas in Argentina where you can rent a house inside a hunting lodge, and guests will come, they will hunt whatever is there, and then us as a chef, we need to cook what they are hunting. So I remember this belonged to one American guy. So he has buffaloes inside the hunting lodge. So this buffalo was looking at the windows at the house. So he was watching a buffalo from the other side. So the buffalo was ranking again this reflection on the window, and he broke all the windows of the house. So they have to kill him, unfortunately. So I remember the next day, the buffalo was hanging to release all the blood, to do all the process of butchering, and we cook the buffalo for all of them. It was huge amount of meat.
Buffalo is it's got an amazing flavor.
It is.
I mean, and if people haven't tried it, and if they like meat, it's really one of the tastiest. Very lean, but I don't know how a grass-fed buffalo would be in Argentina. I imagine it would be pretty good.
No, I think it's very similar to what you can find in America. The cooking way that we did it is very slow for long hours. I remember we cooked the leg, and was incredible. But I remember they need to bring a tractor to hang it. This was I think 400, 500 pounds. It was incredible animal. But then in Middle East, I used to cook camel. That it maybe for some people it's strange, but for them it's normal. And in Iceland, before here, I used to cook whale and shark. That for them is normal as well. So that's a pretty thing from our career, that wherever we travel, we have to cook different kind of products. And
Yeah,
here
at least
the conch. The conch is incredible here.
Oh, by the way, the conch, when you guys fixed it for the last dinner, I've never had it better. I mean, I've eaten conch, and I'm not a fan. It's usually goma. It's very rubbery, but it was perfect. Somebody told me if it was fresh, it would be tender and it would have more flavor.
And we are able to get one fresh conch, but also we have an incredible chef here in the hotel that he knows how to prepare it, and he knows how to choose the ones that are softer than another one. So we know which one we have to fry, which one we have to use for the soup, or which one we use for ceviches.
Very, very interesting. Okay, so Nicolás Acosta, Bodega Garzón, September 12th at Alera, and information's available on the website. I recommend you get reservations. This one sounds like it's going to be a sellout, so folks, go ahead, find out more information. Guido Ojeda, it's always a pleasure to see you, and we'll look forward to seeing you. I won't be there, unfortunately, but I'll be at the next one.
I will send you a picture. I will send you videos, and if you're coming back soon, I will keep some meat for you. But do not miss the chef series that we are going to have the next year as well, and we have 2 more coming after Nico. In 2025, October and December, so we will have plenty time to keep enjoying our festival here at Alera.
Fantastic.
Thank you, Kate.